welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Morabi and I'm Khatswan Cups on Instagram, Khatswan Cups 2. If you're new here, please click on the subscribe button and like this video. So otherwise, welcome for the returning soldiers, fam. Thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate you guys. So today I'm hosting. I thought that let me just prepare some meal with you guys. So hence you have seen that I've been preparing. I'm making I'm roasting because I'm pregnant. I don't have time to wait for long, so I'm roasting the lamb, the chicken, and then I'm roasting the butternut, and then I'm gonna be boiling the eggs. So that's what I'm gonna be putting there. Then I'm gonna be setting up the table while this is cooking, the other one is roasting. So yeah, well,
why? I thought you needed help. You don't need help? This you're the strongest one. Right, you're the strongest one. Yes, let me put this.
Hey, look at that.
Can I put?
You don't know how to put matcha.
want to put the other one.
No.
Why? I'm gonna do it like you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ish, okay, like your measurement distance, they don't have measurements, ne?
We're not done, eh? I have to come back and finish.
No.
Hey, like you can come get peas.
How is it looking?
Eh?
Mama, look. Look at your baby.
I can't see. Move there.
Come here. Come this side.
Let me see. Okay.
Oscar, okay. If you are dissatisfied, you say.
Now, if I don't go to the side, I don't want it the other side. I give it a there. Let's see.
Look at mommy.
It reflecting here. It's too big. Or we do.
It's too big.
It's too big.
Oh, it means you must go sit down again.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Guys, food is ready. I almost burned it. But this looks amazing. I haven't packed. I'm still wiping the plates. Eh? It's touching your head.
Yes.
Mashallah, please don't touch Potalo's head.
I'm putting this thing back.
Where? When I reset pack twice, not.
I'm putting it inside here.
Golden, golden, living my life like it's golden, golden, living my life, living my life, living my life like it's golden. It really mattered to me, oh, living my life like it's golden, 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 golden.
Hey guys, so I'm done. I tried something new with my new set from, I got this set from Mr. Price, guys. Yeah, I tried something new for once. I was tired of white, so I bought something that matches the thingy. Let me know what you think of this look. I am so tired. I am so exhausted, but I'm also happy that the guests are not yet here. So, which means that I can get to bath and wait while everything is set up. I'm also done cooking. I'm gonna go and show you guys the food. So yeah guys, let me know what you think. My husband is busy there at the garden. Oh, the green is greeny now. Ooh, I love it. Guys, so what I pull mole, copa donation, pulling yana mole. Why want? Yeah. So there's the pumpkin. It's ready. Oh, the butternut is that side, and here's the meat. So ready. Oh my God, guys, she's calling me. I'm gonna quickly go and bath. I'm gonna hide. No, I won't take you. Joe, this is just...
conversation about something that has been delivered to you. Do you think your phone right?
This is my food.
100%. To know who you're dating.
It's actually coming out nice, not bad.
People are entitled to
Say hello.
not just me.
She's shy, Shem.
I'm shy.
I'm not shy.
I'm shy.
It's my drink.
I hope so. One day, God
Get the ice cube jagger. Oh, and I should have put on
will marry whoever God blesses me with.
the end.
Let's
Let's do it again.
and trying to. Mommy is fault.
Where's mommy?
That's mommy, son.
Oh, okay.
That's That's the elephant and take the flowers. Now it's stone. A bee take the flowers and eat it down.
Oh, the bee's gonna eat the flowers.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's sting.
Yes.
It's sting. The bee.
It's a demon. It's a demon. It's hard to eat the demon.
The green one.
It's gonna eat the green one. This is also part of a skill to open the book.
That's a chance. What? That's Andy.
That's what?
That's Andy.
It's angry.
Yes.
Oh.
I found that's the divan.
The green one.
The green one.
That's how the yellow.
Yes, it colors yellow. Okay.
How is yellow?
Okay. Where's yellow? Show me yellow.
This
Okay,
yellow
my baby.
and the yellow.
Where's red?
Red.
I can't see. Where's red?
This red.
That's not red. That's blue.
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 Red is this one. You see this one? This one is red.
That's red. That's
Blue.
yellow.
Oh, okay. Yes, that one is yellow.
That's
Yes, for yellow.
That is the elephant nose.
Elephant nose.
That paper does this.
Oh, it's the hippo's lunchbox.
It's a one foot.
Kutalo, come take sweeties. Someone says they can't sleep without Kutalo. Come, Kutalo, come.
Hey guys, so I bought this elephant learns to share book. It's very good, if you want to teach your kids manners, and there's like a couple of options there, for services. So yeah, I also bought the monkey learn to listen. Guess what, guys? It's my birthday. It's my birthday, and we have reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, come back again. Welcome. And the returning subscribers, enjoy. I appreciate you so much, and thank you for the support. Bye.